Hello folks, Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technologies here. We're taking a look at our picture-in-picture charts and proprietary stock race scanning. Picture-in-picture charts, see I've got a weekly chart pictured inside of a daily chart here. It tries to really give you a painted picture of where stocks have been and possibly price where it could head. Next part, our proprietary stock scanning race here. So we've got on the left side, this live data, things that are coming in now are coming into the close for the day. However, METC, it's a relative strength from the open scan that I've created, and as I always say, it's very customizable and usable. And this has been on here all day long, and a very nice move early on, some consolidation here, drifting higher throughout the day. That's where this comes in also as the finish line and a watch list. So we can see METC has been here, 15 races finished based on the race parameters that I have set, right? NKTX, another stock, very nice move all day long, right? Been on that watch list all day long as well here. So it's a dual fold system here that really kind of helps you out, keeping a narrow focused view of some really great solid data, at the same time giving you relevant data. Again, if you like what you saw, come visit us, trade-ideas.com. We have a test drive coming up soon. Come try the software, test it out for just a couple of bucks, see what you think for a few weeks. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next video.